So when I originally booked this course, I really wanted to overcome my anxieties and take control of my thoughts during a speech. So many times I just got overwhelmed with what the other person was thinking and not concentrating on what I was actually saying. So there's a lot of techniques and skills that I've learned through this course. If I had to pick top 3, it would definitely be the structure of speeches, so the ADDIC and SQUAC model for opening and closing speeches. The other would be to kind of take back control of not focusing on what the other person is thinking and just focusing on what you're saying. And it's the other skill and technique is, being more comfortable with using hand gestures and body language, because it actually does reduce that anxiety, and the movement actually elevates the point that you're trying to make. So that's kind of given me a lot more confidence, so I don't have to just stand there and look professional. I can kind of, go with the flow a little bit.